Hi, in this how-to video, you will learn how to install, uninstall, update and restart EventLog Analyzer agents. EventLog Analyzer allows you to manage log collection agents from within the product's console. EventLog Analyzer supports log collection agent installation for Windows devices. For Linux devices, agents can be used only for file integrity monitoring. To install agents on Windows devices, navigate to Settings, Admin Settings, Manage Agents. Click the Install Agent button. You will now see the Install Agents pop-up where you can select the devices in which you want to install the agent. A single agent can collect logs from multiple devices. Check the box next to Use Default Credentials to obtain the credentials of the devices automatically. Alternatively, you can manually enter the usernames and passwords individually for the selected devices. You can validate the manually entered credentials by clicking the Verify Credential link. Now click the Install Agent button. You can now find the agent listed on the Agent Administration page. Sometimes the agent installation is unsuccessful due to network issues. In cases like this, click on the Try Again link. If the issue persists, you can install the agent manually by clicking on the Install Manually link, which downloads the agent files. You can now go ahead and install these agent files manually on the specific devices. EventLog Analyzer allows you to edit the display name of the agent, its log level, sync interval, and more by clicking on its corresponding edit icon. If you want to restart the agents because of delays in troubleshooting or improper log collection, select the agents, click More Actions, and click Force Restart. You can filter the agents based on their status, domains, workgroups, and device groups using the Filter By drop-down menu. Uninstalling an agent is quite simple. Select the agent and click Uninstall. Now let's take a look at how to install agents in Linux devices for file integrity monitoring. Click the Linux tab in the Agent Administration page. You will see the Click here to configure Linux File Integrity Monitoring link. Click it to open the Manage File Integrity Monitoring page. Click the Add FIM button. Select the device on which you would like to monitor file integrity. Check the box next to Use Existing Credentials to obtain the credentials, or you can manually enter the credentials for the selected device and verify the entered credentials by clicking the Verify Credential link. Enter the SSH port number and select the files and folders you want to monitor. Alternatively, you can specify the locations of the files and click Configure. An agent will be installed in the target machine and will be listed in the Manage File Integrity Monitoring page. You can edit the configurations of the agent by clicking the Edit Configuration icon next to it. You can select the agents and click on the respective icons to enable, disable, or delete them. Now that's all about installing agents in Windows and Linux devices. For further details and help, please contact our technical support team.